Good morning, everyone. Myself, Rajesh Kumar, expert in mathematics. And today I am going to discuss about a very interesting topic in the CBSE pattern. It's called differential equations. So, what is called this differential equations? What are the different topics in this differential equation? We'll discuss once. And among that, I selected one topic. It's a very interesting topic according to the mark wise and the subject wise well, and we'll discuss that subtopic. So actually, what is meant by differential equation? First we have to study so definition of the differential equation. So before we are going about the definition of the differential equation, if you take any equation as a x square 5 plus 5x plus 6 equal to say 6 equal to 0, we'll say it is an equation with x as a variable. We can know that x as a variable. In the same way, y square plus 6y plus 3 equal to 0, and this is an equation with y as a variable. Now when I am writing the equation called d square y by dx square plus 6 into dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 0. When I looked at this type of equation is equal to 0, so it's an equation. When I looked at this type of equation where derivatives are x as a variable, here y as a variable, here x as a variable, here the derivatives are acting as a variable. So my topic name is a differential equation. It means by an equation which involves derivatives as a variable is called a differential equation. So here we can talk about two types of differential equation. One is ordinary and the second one is a partial differential equations. But in fact we are studying about only ordinary differential equation, not partial differential equation. Once we'll discuss the what is a ordinary and the what is a partial differential equations. After that we'll go into the subject. So if y is equal to f of x is a one function, in the other way y is equal to f of m comma n is the other function. That means this is a function which depends on one variable. This is the function which depends on two variable called m comma n. So when I want to differentiate y with respect to x, it's called dy by dx. It's called ordinary derivative. Why? Because sir, in this it is called dependent variable, it is called independent variable. Dependent variable is always one. No need to talk about that. But when we are talking about the independent variable, if the independent variable is 1, then this derivative is called ordinary derivative. But when I am talking about here, I can calculate dy by dm and I can calculate dy by dn else. So here, as I said, the dependent variable is any cost 1. But when we are talking about the independent variable, we have two independent variables there. One is m, another one is n. Such type of derivatives are called partial derivatives. Okay, and when we are talking about this differential equation, an equation involves ordinary derivatives is called ordinary differential equation. An equation involves partial derivatives is called partial differential equation. But even I am not mentioning, we are talking about ODE, ordinary differential equation. Sir, according to the CBSE curriculum, how this chapter is subdivided into the parts? It dividing into the first one is called formation of ordinary differential equation, and the second one is solving ordinary differential equation. How to form ordinary differential equation and how to solve ordinary differential equation. So when we are talking about ODE, we have only one method to solve ordinary differential equation, that is called eliminating arbitrary constants. Eliminating, I am writing here. Eliminating arbitrary constants. When we are talking about formation of ODE, here there is elimination arbitrary constant, we can form ODE. when we are solving about ODE, that means, so see the difference between formation and the solving. They will give one algebraic equation. They will give one algebraic equation and we have to convert into differential equation. It's called formation. Second case, they will give ordinary differential equation and we have to convert into algebraic equation. See the difference between algebraic and y square is equal to 4x. It is an algebraic equation. When I want to, see this is called arbitrary constant. When I want to eliminate this, it will convert into the differential equation. Differential equation. It is called formation. The second thing, they'll give the equation dy by dx plus 2x is equal to 2xy is equal to 3x. It's a differential equation. And we have to convert into the algebraic equation that is called solving ordinary differential equation. There is a two things in the chapter and here we are discussing solving of ordinary differential equation. So what are the different things are there to solve ordinary differential equation? The first one is called variable separable. The second one is called homogeneous. Third one is called non-homogeneous. Next one is called linear differential equation. Bernoulli's differential equation, like that. So when we are, be clear my dear students. So this is a very interesting topic called ODE and the PDE. It's a part of the calculus. We are talking about ordinary differential equation. Here else it's divided into the two topics. One is a formation, how to create an algebraic equation, into how to convert an algebraic equation into the differential equation. And the second thing, how to convert a differential equation into the algebraic equation, like that. So these are the certain methods, step by step. If it is not variable separable, we should go for homogeneous. If it is not, we'll go for the non-homogeneous. If like that, one by one method is there. Okay, now today I choose the two very interesting topics called linear differential equation as well as a Bernoulli differential equation. Now in the next board we will discuss exactly what is a linear differential equation and how to solve it. We will illustrate with a certain examples over there. And what is the Bernoulli? What's the difference between linear and Bernoulli? The curriculum or criteria we'll discuss now. Right. Right. The topic is linear differential equation. So it will say that an equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. An equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x is called linear differential equation. How to identify it, master? Sir, I have a certain thing like dy by dx plus x square into y is equal to x cube is a certain question. When I look at the question, look at dy by dx is there, dy by dx. Concentrate on y. In the rest equation, in the rest all equation, if y appears only one time, it is like y only, not sin y, cos y or vice versa, something else. If y appear only one time, then we will say that it is a linear differential equation. Be clear, be clear. One more take. If I write a certain equation like dy by dx plus x cube into y is equal to x square. You should discuss, master, dy by dx is there. So, if y appears only one time, then we will say that it is a linear differential equation. In the same way, we can write dx by dy plus, now x is my hero. Now, if x appears only one time, like y square x is equal to y cube. This is also linear differential equation in other direction. We are changing the variable, nothing else there. So dy by dx plus P of x into y is equal to Q of x, or the other way is also there, dx by dy plus P of y into x is equal to Q of y. Yeah, y is my hero, y is appearing only one time, like y only. Yeah, x is my hero, x is appearing only one time, it's my hero. Then these type of equations are called the linear differential equations. Now we will solve how to solve this type of linear differential equations. Before discussing this, remember, as in the board or as in the objective like mains, JEE mains, this is a very interesting question, like so many times they are repeatedly asking. That's why please concentrate on this. When after recognizing that the given differential equation is a linear differential equation, now talk for integrating factor and the general solution. Integrating factor e power integral p of x dx, and the general solution my hero into, that's a y into integral factor is equal to integral q of x into integral factor dx plus c. This type of equation is called linear differential equation. After recognizing linear differential equation, now our aim is to solve. Solve means we are converting the differential equation into the algebraic equation, right? So integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx, and general solution is this. Or there is another way, well, dx by dy plus p of y into x is equal to q of y. Now look at here, my hero is x now, and my eyes are looking for how many times x appears. X is appearing only one time. Then I can conclude that the given one is a linear differential equation. Well, now from this we can write the integrating factor as well as a general solution. Same thing, but x should be replaced with y should be replaced with x. So that is how the linear differential equation will be. Now the question must, okay fine, how to solve this type of linear differential equations, right? So there is a certain question number 1. dy by dx plus 1 by x into y is equal to x square is the question. So when I am writing the exam, hurriedly I looked at the question and I observed, dy by dx is there. Therefore, in the rest all equation, y appears only one time. Then I recollected, it may be linear. Yes, it is linear. Now, I wrote the general equation of the linear. P of x into y is equal to q of x. I compared. The P of x is nothing but 1 by x. And the q of x is nothing but x squared. Right? So, after knowing these two, it's our job to calculating integrating factor and the general solution. Integrating factor is e power integral p of x dx, that is e power integral p of x means 1 by x dx. 1 by x integration is log mod x, both get cancelled, x. Now when we are writing about the general solution, as I mentioned now, y into integral factor is equal to integral q of x into integral factor dx plus c. Now substitute, what are the things we have? Y integrating factor is x, well, is equal to integral q of x, x square into integrating factor x dx plus c. That is xy is equal to, I think it is x cube. This integration is x bar 4 by 4 plus c. As I said, don't forget, this is a differential equation. It involves derivatives. Now my differential equation I converted into algebraic equation. Here see, there is no dy by dx. So a differential equation is converting into the algebraic equation. That's called solving the differential equation. And this is a one of the way when the equation is in the particular shape, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. In the same way, I have another equation. Question number 2. dy by dx, yes, dy by dx plus, I think it's a tan x. dy by dx tan x into y is equal to secant x. Now I'll solve. See, in the hurry mode when we are writing the exam, I said na, dy by dx y, and y appears only one time, so it's linear. If dx by dy is there, check for x is one time is there or not. Right? And now I compared the given equation with my regular model into q of x. I compared p of x is equal to tan x. Well, q of x is equal to secant x. Okay, well, now integrating factor and the general solution e power integral p of x dx. It is y into integral factor is equal to integral q of x into integral factor dx plus. Please substitute the respective values and calculate the integration. Okay. Now I have another question. The question I wrote like question number 3, dy by dx plus xy is equal to x square y square. I wrote the question I gave to my students. Then one of the boy asked, Master, we understood what's the linear. You said, if y is there, dy by dx, if y is there, my eyes are looking for how many times y appear. If one time y appears, see, if I close this, then I can clearly say that it's a linear. But fortunately, there is another y called y square in the form of y square. See, these type of equations are up level of a upgrade of a linear. It is called the Bernoulli differential equation. I'm writing C. The general form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. If I stop at x, then it is called linear, what we studied now. Now into y power n, it is called Bernoulli. Sir, y 2 times appear, it doesn't mean that sin y cos y something else. 2 times appear means one time single y and the second time is y power something else. Okay, then, okay master, if y appears only one time, sir, why I am saying why, since y is my hero. If x is my hero, I should concentrate on x well. So, sir, if y appearing 2 times, as I said, this type of equations are called a Bernoulli differential equation. Now, this Bernoulli differential equation, we have to convert into algebraic. We have to convert into algebraic means called, we have to solve. So remember, we are not having special methods to convert a Bernoulli differential equation into the algebraic. Like solving Bernoulli differential equation, we don't have any methods. The only one way we have to convert this into linear. We don't have special methods to solve Bernoulli. We have to convert into linear differential equation. Okay, now our aim is to, we know how to solve this linear differential equation before we set. Now we are studying how to convert a Bernoulli differential equation into linear differential equation. So my dear students, be clear. What's a linear differential equation? What is a Bernoulli differential equation? If I close here, it's a linear. If I open this, open close means if y square is there, it's called Bernoulli. And Bernoulli, we don't have special methods, as I said. Now my aim is that I want to convert this into the linear differential equation. Yes. How? So why it is Bernoulli, you will say? Your eyes will catch, master, because of this only I will say it's a Bernoulli, or else I used to say it's a linear only, master. Yes. Now divided with this term, 1 by y square dy by dx plus x into, when I have divided with y square, 1 by y into x square. Come here. Actually in the linear, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. That's the original linear. Don't forget, we are converting into the linear. Because of this, we modified here, we converted. And after this, we come here. Here p of x into, it should be y, but should be what here? 1 by y is there. That's why put 1 by y as a sum u. Differentiate it. Minus 1 by y square dy by dx is equal to du by dx. Now rewrite this. See, 1 by y square into dy by dx can be written as a minus du by dx plus x into, this is u and this is x square. That is du by dx plus minus x into u equal to minus x square. Have a look on this now. What is my hero? Hero is u, that is dependent variable is u, and among the rest equation the u appears only one time, so it's a linear. Now my guys can solve this linear differential equation by comparing with this. What is a p of x? P of x is equal to minus x, q of x is equal to minus x square. Rest you can do it, right? So that's in today's class my main motto is that my students should understand the topic is called differential equations, in that how they subdivided, and after that what the certain interesting topic I selected called linear, and continuation of the linear, as I said, upgraded one, it's called a Bernoulli, right? Please try to solve the more number of problems. Thank you very much.